Welcome. Today we're diving into the top 5 cybersecurity skills you must have. First up, networking and system administration. An in-depth understanding of networking is required to start a career in cybersecurity. Learning networking will help you understand the technical aspects of data transmission, which will in turn help you secure your data. Taking up networking certifications like CompTIA Security Plus and Cisco CCNA is highly advisable. Moving on to the second skill, knowledge of operating systems and virtual machines. A cybersecurity professional must have a strong knowledge of operating environments such as Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. As a cybersecurity expert, you should be comfortable working on any OS. VMs allow you to train and research in an isolated environment, helping you maximize your skills. Network security control refers to the different measures which are employed to enhance the security of a network. You need to know how your network works, how routers, firewalls, and other devices work. A firewall is a hardware or software that blocks outgoing or incoming traffic from the internet to your computer. As a cybersecurity expert, you must leverage a firewall to filter and prevent unauthorized traffic onto the network. Given below are the list of a few coding languages you can learn to have a successful career in cybersecurity. C and C++, C and C++ are low-level programming languages you need to know as a cybersecurity professional. Python. It is a well-known high-level programming language that is becoming popular among cyber experts today. JavaScript. A good advantage of knowing JavaScript is that you can prevent cross-site scripting attacks. PHP. Most websites are created using PHP. Learning it will help defend against intruders. HTML. HTML is yet another language cybersecurity professionals should understand, as most websites use it, and it is one of the easiest languages to learn. Golang. It is great for cryptography. You can solve various cybersecurity problems with it. SQL. Attackers use this language to damage the stored data. One example is the SQL injection attack. Hence, having a good understanding of SQL or structured query language is beneficial. Assembly language. Assembly will help you understand how malware functions work, and thereby help you defend against it. Artificial intelligence is a relatively young innovation that's been enjoying widespread use. AI is perfect for the cybersecurity sector, as it brings reliability and consistency to cybersecurity measures, as it helps security professionals identify suspicious activity and impart a greater understanding of the cyber environment. AI brings a level of automation and support that is unmatched by human capabilities, catching threats that may otherwise go unnoticed and unaddressed. Before we finish this video, please subscribe to this channel for the latest on cybersecurity information. Share the video as well. Thank you.